Hello guys, it's Cody. Today we're watching Jester Ghost Train Almost Hit Us. Abandoned railroad road tracks. This video was posted back in 2020. 3 years ago. Yeah. This channel was the Demon, aka Jester. Okay, let's get into the video. And I'm watching this video with Alex and Alberto.
Hello, guys.
Okay, so let's get in the video.
Alright.
Okay.
What?
Wait.
They saw something. Wait, what?
Was that light on?
I think so.
I think
The light always been on.
Yeah.
That's the exit.
I guess it is.
Yeah, take that.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
We just arrived here. We're at this only place in my city that has abandoned train tracks.
Abandoned train track.
What?
Right? There was like some sort of
Don't go back in there.
We couldn't get it on camera because I just started filming mid-run because I was running away from
So this is like 5 minutes long.
Yeah, just 5 minutes long.
What? 5 minutes long.
Those lights were not on. How's that even possible? This is like the most abandoned place.
Is he going through here at all?
No, at all. Guys, this place has been abandoned for years. Like, there has been no traffic through here because the train tracks simply just don't work. Like, I don't understand how this is even happening, bro. This place is creepy enough, man. Like, look at this. What?
That light just changed.
Yo,
Wait, what?
it turned yellow. What the
Huh?
hell?
Wait, it turned yellow.
Looks like
What?
it did.
There's trains?
Did that
There's no
just
way,
turn
bro.
I can't even see it because it's kind of,
dark?
far away.
Yeah, there is nothing.
There's no way.
There is nothing.
I'm telling you, bro. I saw what I saw. That ghost
I think
is
this is
right now.
broken.
I don't want to risk it, man. I don't want to risk it at all.
Mm.
Should we just head back to the car? Like, we've already gone
Jeez.
too far, man.
Yeah, just head back to your vehicle.
Yeah, like, I'd rather go home,
Just,
but, like, I think we should
just
like,
go back.
like, walk around.
Just go back to your vehicle.
No.
If you guys are scared.
No.
Just
Please.
leave.
Can you please don't
Let's say
investigate?
you're trespassing.
Please.
Just leave.
We'll check whatever else is in front of us.
Yeah, let's head away from the lights.
Yeah.
Good
Let's
idea, man. It's
not
a good
go
idea.
towards it.
Creepy.
Uh,
Uh,
There's no way that light
Goodness.
actually means
Looks
something, man.
scary.
yet the wood is like
still.
creepy old wood.
Yeah,
Yeah.
most likely. I wouldn't be surprised.
Dude, this is terrifying.
I know.
Hmm.
I don't know
Yeah,
about this.
The
So scary.
the stone is fake.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Holy cow!
Holy crap.
I heard that.
Hell?
Yeah, I heard that as well.
There was a train with a horn.
Yeah.
Where
horn
is it?
Diesel engines.
What? 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 What?
What do you
Wait,
see?
what?
What? Oh my god!
Whoa!
Run,
Oh my goodness, run!
Go!
Go, just get off the
Go
tracks.
get off the tracks!
Wait, get off the
Go,
tracks.
Oh my god! Oh
Just do
my!
that
Careful!
simple thing.
Careful!
Get off.
You're about to do.
Oh, crap,
Oh.
that's the train.
Wait! I don't see.
Oh
I don't see any
my
people.
God.
Wait, where's the people at?
Oh jeez. Why is the train? Canada. They live in Canada.
Wait, they live in Canada?
America.
What?
Jesse, what the hell, man? No one driving the train. No one in the train.
This is an abandoned railroad track. How's that possible? It's gone, man.
It is gone.
It is
Yeah.
gone.
Guys, I said it at the
I think it was a ghost
It's
train.
not even there anymore.
Yeah, I think it's a ghost train. Once again.
I don't understand how that's
How
possible.
is that even possible, guys? There's no way that it makes any sense. That was an actual train, though, right? Like, that was an actual train.
That was an actual train.
was.
Yeah, that was an actual train, but no one was driving it or riding it.
Yeah. There's no
Okay,
people.
we're nearly
and who
done.
knows if
Now,
they were
now let me
riding it.
get this straight.
What now?
That
Yes.
train was a ghost. Well, we all saw it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we all saw it.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we
And-
did.
That train was an actual train, like Jester said. That train was an actual train.
Yeah,
it took-
but
Yeah.
well, that was a real train, but it was an actual train.
But there was no people
Yeah, but
in it.
no one was.
Jeez, how
no
is
one-
that possible?
No one was riding
With no
it.
driver, no passengers.
Pretty weird.
Yeah, nothing. It's just empty.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that's maybe they forgot to put the brakes on.
Or
Yeah, it
probably
doesn't work that way
they
either.
just decided to prepare ready for the
See,
day.
no train behind them. A minute later,
Wait, wait. Not again.
see?
Oh my god, it's
Oh
coming
my
back.
goodness. It's coming back, I think.
It's coming.
Oh crap.
Run back.
Go
Run
back, get
back.
off the tracks.
Holy.
That's the same
Holy
train
crap.
again.
once
Wait, that's the
again.
same train. It's
Now
going backwards.
quicker.
What? It is?
Yeah, I don't see anyone.
Wow, I got confused for a sec.
Oh, the indignity.
That's Gordon's line.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna end my video here because I don't want to waste my storage. So, bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.